Hurricane Beryl strengthened into a Category 5 storm Monday night, intensifying after making landfall on Carriacou Island. Beryl's sustained winds have now reached 165 miles per hour.
Yes, good morning to you, Robin. Beryl still making history, overnight becoming the earliest Category 5 hurricane in the Atlantic Basin on record. It is remarkable to see, especially this time of year. It's got a lot of islands in its path, and eventually the United States coast could be at play.
This morning, a deadly Hurricane Beryl is tearing through the Caribbean waters. Strengthening into a Category 5 overnight, Beryl is the earliest Cat 5 on record to form in the Atlantic Basin, feeding off ocean waters that are already as warm as what we see in the peak of hurricane season in September. The lashing winds and surge claiming at least one life in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Beryl made its first landfall as a Cat 4 on Monday on the island of Carriacou in Grenada, the winds and water decimating parts of the island. Neighborhoods in Barbados inundated. Storm surge swallowing this backyard in just moments.
The floods are coming in.
On St. Vincent, powerful winds ripping the roof off this school, leveling banana crops and taking down power lines. The International Space Station capturing this striking image of Beryl. And hurricane hunters flying right into the eye of the storm, gathering crucial data from above.
It's currently less than 700 miles east-southeast of Kingston, Jamaica, and it is plowing west-northwest at 22 miles per hour. That's why you see tropical storm warnings for the south coast of the Dominican Republic and Haiti, but a hurricane warning for Jamaica. This could be very bad for Jamaica by tomorrow. They'll be on the right side of it likely, and the closer it is, the worse for Jamaica. The Cayman Islands in a hurricane watch, and then the path takes it to the Yucatan Peninsula. It should run into some wind shear that kills or knocks down hurricanes, and also could wrap in some dry air. We would like to see that because by the time it makes it back into the Gulf of Mexico, some of the latest computer models start turning it further north. And that would make late weekend into early next week a problem for the coast of Texas. It's all dependent on that high that was protecting us but can't protect us forever. And just to note how remarkable this is, Robin, the water temperatures are more like September. They're 2 to 3 degrees above average. That is super fuel for a hurricane. And we know that the year after El Nino, which we're in, would be like this. But we also know from climate scientists that human emissions are amplifying that natural variability.